Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to design brick structure in STAAD Pro. So at first open STAAD Pro, click on new project, click on space, give name, choose location, length unit meter, force unit, kilometer, then click on next, then click on add beam and finish. Okay, if you want to design brick structure in STAAD Pro, we have to design lintel and roof because the rest portion will be made by brick. So we are going to design the lintel first. The lintel is actually one kind of beam. Okay, we are going to design, we are not going to design the whole lintel, we are going to design only this portion of lintel. This is a window, so we are going to design only this length of lintel. Okay, and the result, what you design the lintel and the result will go through all over the lintel. Okay, so this is a simply supported beam, two sides are fixed. Okay, the length is 1.5 meter. You can increase the length. Okay, so go to STAAD Pro. Now for create beam, create a node first, click on 0 portion, switch off the grid. Now select node cursor, select the node, copy the node from your keyboard, Ctrl C, and for paste the node, Ctrl V from your keyboard in the X direction, 1.5 meter. Okay, now add two nodes by add beam. Now I have to give the support. For that, go to support page, click on create, add the fixed support. Now select the support, select the two nodes, click on assign the selected nodes and assign, and yes, close it. Now I have to give them property. The property will be 10 millimeter, or sorry, 250 millimeter by 250 millimeter, because the wall is 250 millimeter. Okay, go to define, go to rectangle, it will be 0.250 by 0.250. Then click on add, close, and goes to this member. Now select the member, click on assign to selected beams, assign, yes. Now I have to give them property, and for that go to load page, click on load case detail, click on add, loading type date, give title date, add, close, select date, click on add the self weight, and now member weight. Now for member weight, this is the lintel, this is the lintel. Okay, now the top upper portion is 1 meter. You can increase the length. We have to calculate the length, breadth and height. Okay, now this is the length, this is the breadth, and this portion is height, and we have to calculate the load and cross with unit weight of brick and unit weight of concrete. Okay, the load will be for 1 meter by 1 meter, the load will be -6. Okay, then click on add, then close, self and goes to total view. Now if you don't understand the load, I am again show you. This is lintel and the load comes from the upper portion. Now the upper portion is brick and the beam. Okay, now calculate the unit weight of, calculate the length, breadth and height of the wall and also the beam, and cross width multiply with for brick 19.2 and for concrete 25. Okay, and total load will act on the lintel. So for 1 meter by 1 meter the load will be 6 kilonewton. Actually it is 5 kilonewton. I increased the load 6 kilonewton. It will be safe. Okay, now it goes to the beam. Click on assign the beam, select the beams, click on assign, yes. Now we have to analyze it. Go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Now this is one warning. Now go to output file, see what is the warning. Release moment X adversion, nothing to worry. Now I have to design it. Close and go to design, concrete design, select code. I'm going to select IS456. Now select parameters. I'm going to select clear FC and FY main. Okay, define the parameters. Clear code will be -0 to 5, 25 millimeter. Add FC will be 20,000. Click on add, and FY main will be 41500. Add, close. Now it goes to the total structure, assign to view, yes. FC goes to assign to view, yes. FY main assign to view, assign, yes. Now go to comment, click on design beam, add, close. Now in design beam select the beam, click on assign to select beams, assign, yes. Now go to comment, go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. Now go to output file. Warning is nothing. Now this is the concrete design. Or you can go to double click on the beam. You can see the concrete design. Now see the upper portion is 2 nong bar of 10 mm dia, and the down portion is 2 mm dia. I say 10 mm dia, 2 nong bars. So we are going to give the property to the whole lintel. Okay. Now go to this portion and you will see I'm just designing this portion, and I'm going to give the property for the whole lintel. Okay. Now I have to design the roof. Okay. Now go to STAAD Pro again, close it, click on new project again, click on space. Now meter, kilonewton, next, click on add beam, finish. Okay, for floor you have to create a rectangle, click on here, click a node first, switch on the node, copy the node by node cursor, Ctrl C from your keyboard, Ctrl V from your keyboard. For paste the node in the X direction, my floor will be 3 meter by 4 meter. Okay, so 3 meter in the X direction, 4 meter in the Z direction. Now copy the two, select the two nodes, copy the two nodes and paste the two nodes, Ctrl V in the Z direction, 4 meter, then okay. Now I have to create node, sorry, you have to add the beams. Now add the beam. Now we have to fix the supports. For that, go to support page, click on create, add fixed support. Now in the big structure, the roof is on this portion is totally fixed, not just two nodes. The total portion in the X, Z direction, in 4 direction is total fixed. But we can design that. We are going to design the beam and just the 4 columns. Okay, we're going to take 4 columns. So select the columns. You think it column, but it's not a column. I'm going to need just the floor section or the floor structure. If you can design the floor design, just put the design in your brick structure. We are not going to design the column or beam. We don't need that. Okay, so just design this. Click on assign, yes, because if it is not a beam, STAAD will not design it. Okay, and going to design, go to property page. For give the property, click on define rectangle. It will be 0.25, 5.25. The beams will be 250 millimeter. Close, and the floor will be, for that go to thickness 0.150. Add, close. Now it will be, goes to the beams. Select the beams, click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Go to plate thickness. Now at first we have to create the slab. For that, go to generate surface meshing. Now select the corner nodes, quadrant, select the quadrantal meshing, click on OK. Division will be 1 and click on apply. Now our plate is created. Now select plate cursor. You can see our plate is created, our slab is created. Now click on plate thickness, select the plate, click on assign to selected plates, assign yes, and check the strategy. Now this is our slab. Close it, close it, close it. Now I have to give the load. For then go to load cast detail, add dead load, if title date, add live, and close. Now dead load, click on add self weight, add floor load -5, and close. And for live load, click on add floor load will be -2 and add, close. Now click on self weight, goes to total structure assigned to view, and it is assigned. So you have to design it. For that, go to design, concrete design, select your code. I'm going to select BS8007. Now select the parameters. I'm going to select clear, FC, and FIMAIN. Okay, define the parameters. For slab, the cover will be 30 millimeter, 0.030, and FC will be 20,000, and FIMAIN will be 415000, add close. Now clear will be total structure. We're just going to need the slab, not the beam. Okay, so it goes to the whole structure, assign to view, assign yes FC, assign to view, define main, assign to view, and go to command, take design beam and design slab. Now beam goes to the, select the total beams, click on assign to total beams and select the beam, assign yes. Now design element, it is main. Now select plate cursor, select the plate, click on assign to selected plates and assign and yes. Now go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, analyze, run analyze, save. We just take only the slab reinforcement. Go to view output file, nothing to worry. Go to result, concrete design, just take the slab design, not the beam design. Okay, this is the slab design. Okay, this is an element. Now this is our slab, depth 150 mm, cover 30 mm. Now this is our reinforcement. Okay, now use 12 mm bar in this AST. Okay, now this is our result. You can copy the result and paste in your suitable position. So that's it. That's how you're gonna design brick structure in STAAD Pro. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Okay, thank you.